Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Minecraft Java Edition for free on your Mac. This method works on both Intel Macs and Apple Silicon Macs, including M1, M2, and newer models. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. I'm using Brave, but you can also use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type Minecraft Free Trial Mac, then press Enter. Click the result that says Minecraft Free Trial for different devices. This will take you to the official Minecraft website. Once the page loads, scroll down slightly until you see the option Minecraft Java Edition. Next, choose your platform. Since you're on a Mac, click Mac. After selecting Mac, you'll be prompted to download the minecraft.dmg file. Save the installer to start the download process. Once the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the minecraft.dmg file. A window will appear showing the Minecraft icon and the Applications folder. Simply drag the Minecraft icon into the Applications folder to install it. After the installation is complete, close the window and move the installer file to the trash. Now open your Applications folder and double-click Minecraft to launch it. You may see a security message saying the app was downloaded from the internet. If that happens, just click Open. Minecraft will update the launcher and download all the required files, then take you to the welcome screen. Next, sign in using your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can create one for free directly from the login page. After signing in, click Play Demo to start the free trial. Minecraft will download a few additional files, and once that's done, the game will launch automatically. And that's it. You're now ready to explore, build, and survive in the world of Minecraft on your Mac. Just keep in mind that this is the free trial version. If you enjoy the game, you can purchase the full version anytime from the Minecraft website. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Mac tutorials.